So we got the truck out today for the snow, and you can see it is really just crazy. It sounds good though, but slippery. We're gonna go have a POV in the snow, so I'm gonna catch you guys when we get on camera. All right, y'all, so we're in the truck now, as y'all see. Snow like crazy, so no better time to take out the truck than now. I got them big tires on it, off-roading tires, and if it snows, it snows. But right now the roads are pretty good. Let's have a little pull real quick. Let all this snow fall off my car. A lot of snow. But yeah, it's been an interesting time. I mean, you can see it's like beautiful, like it's snow everywhere. But it's about to end because today it's 41 outside, so it'll probably all start you know, melting, and then we'll be done with this chapter. And then obviously then we get to the spring, and then that's tornado time and all that in the Midwest, so you gotta love it. You gotta love it. But hopefully y'all are enjoying the content. I put out a poll and I see most of y'all, at least 3 votes, are liking it, so I'm gonna keep bringing this POV stuff for y'all. But we're back. We got the GoPro today, so no hand cam. But yeah, oh, that sounds so good though. I missed it. I was driving the XM and stuff, and it's like, it's cool, but this thing just sounds crazy. Let's see. Oh my God, they didn't get rid of that snow on that side. But we're on this side. Let's see. I'm not even gonna go on the highway, actually. Do I want to go on the highway? Yeah. You know what? We'll go on the highway. Let's see. Let's go on the highway. Let's see how the highway is. Last night the highway was just fine. I drove back from Kansas City and there was no problem. So here's some ice, maybe. You know. Well, there was one spot over there when I was trying to stop. It wouldn't stop. So you gotta be careful of that ice. Ice does not let you stop, but it looks like they got rid of it, so that's good. Or at least it melted. Pretty sure it melted. Getting on the highway now. Let's see how we grip. Okay, we're going. Throw all that snow off. Everything's probably in my back of my trunk right now. I didn't even check. I probably got a bunch of snow. Oh, there goes all the snow. There goes the snow. It's just falling one by one. Oh, now it's coming on my windshield. I need to wipe that real quick. Thank you. Get out my face. Oh man, this snow is something else. We're gonna go a little POV in the city, downtown. I'll show you guys. I do have a little downtown area, not a big one, but we're gonna go downtown just to see what's up. I know it's probably gonna be like dead because there's nobody out today. Like, we're closed at this time of year because of the snow and the ice, and people don't want to travel, so nothing is open. But we're gonna see. Let's go ahead and do a little pull. Y'all listen to that? Yup. Let all that stuff fall down. Let all the stuff fall, because I'm sick of it. It's all over my truck. Oh, now it's on my windshield again. Get that off my windshield, bro. But yeah, hopefully you guys have been having a good January, new year. So far this year has been pretty good. We're at 989 subs, bro. We're about to get to 1,000. Y'all are the best, bro. I appreciate all of you guys. Like, there were so many times where I was thinking this channel was like just doomed to fail, and I was just gonna stop it and make a new one. But bringing these POVs is exactly what y'all want, and I'm gonna keep bringing them. So there's no issues there, that's for sure. Ooh, should we do the bridge? I don't know. This Acura might get scared. I don't know. There's a lot of actually, yeah, let's just do it. Yup. Oh, I love that. That's the favorite thing to do in this truck. Just go under bridges and make a lot of noise. Oh, that Acura probably got scared. They were like, oh my God, that thing is loud. Yep. Don't make me put headers on this. Don't make me put headers on a pickup truck. This thing will be crazier. But I'm also not in my, what's it called? Sport mode today, because I really don't want to be in sport mode. I'll just be in normal, because I don't know how these roads are. They're still, you know, cold, and hopefully, you know, a little bit nothing too crazy, but even normal mode pulls pretty well in this truck. I don't think this truck has exhaust valves either, so it's always loud. It doesn't matter if it's normal or it's sport mode. I don't think it has that kind of technology. Actually, put my heated seat off. It's too hot in here. It's getting hot. I ain't gonna lie. Anyway, we're gonna go here to go to the downtown. Let's go ahead and see what they got in downtown going on. The snow is everywhere. I'm gonna open my window again. Let me see if the water is stopped leaking all over the place. Because it started leaking, as you guys can see, there's like water all over my side. Because the top had everything still there. I can't even open my sunroof because I think there's probably like snow on top. And we're gonna go see what's going on downtown. Oh my God, it's icy, or it's just snowy and wet. They haven't cleaned all this yet. People are coming. We just gotta wait for these people to go, and then we go. Hey, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, lady. Going in front of you. Keep those brakes checked. Good. I'm gonna go this way. This is downtown right here. So y'all can see it's a little downtown. It ain't nothing too crazy, but we're gonna go anyway. So let's get this light. Yes. Ooh, look. All these people. There's actually people here. I didn't expect this. There's kind of open. It's kind of nice, you know. It's a little bit. See people shoveling the snow, hoping that they can get their area nice and cleaned up, because the snow is like everywhere right now. But y'all can see it's a little downtown, but we're not even in the main area. This is like the older spot. There's like newer buildings and stuff, and like a kind of like a plaza. So we're gonna go straight to that area. Please do not have ice on these roads. I do not want to have to worry about ice on a hill. I think it's all gone because it's like 41 outside. No more ice, thank God. But let's go down. Okay. No ice, just great. There's a lot of snow, you guys can see, but no ice, so that's a good thing. All right, so we're gonna go. Which way do I want to go? Which way I'm gonna go? I'm gonna go right, because there's actually more on the right than the left, so I don't want to go left. These people waiting to go, or what is going on? No, they're going now. I don't know what they were doing. These people are going straight. Maybe there's left turn. Come on, bro. Go, go, go. Let's go ahead and turn it. Oh, there's Bass Pro right there. So that's in this area. You got a Bass Pro shop. That's actually this is where the original Bass Pro shop is, if you guys don't know. Actually, I don't know if it's here or Springfield, but it's somewhere around here. But yeah, they got Bass Pro here. Right lane must turn right. No, I don't want to turn right. Give me some straight. Where am I? Navigation, help me. All right, so we're like going under this bridge, and then we're gonna pop out onto another side. But that was the downtown, little downtown, not much at all, but you know, that's the small area that gets 9 million people, which is insane when the tourists come into town. But y'all can see it's freezing outside right now. Well, it's not freezing even, it's 41, so it's pretty nice. Look, the lake is not frozen, so there's water. Or is that a lake or a river? I don't know. I never know the difference. But we are going this way. Let's go this way. Hey, no, buddy. This guy, I'm gonna get up on your bumper like nothing. worthless driver. Just pulled in front like that. Oh, I love that sound. The 5.0 truck. Yeah, you got in front of me. Now you're gonna have to go. You're gonna have to go, my guy. You're gonna have to go. Look at all the snow everywhere. People are having fun outside. It feels like this is not even Christmas. It should have been like this during Christmas. I would have been happy. But we never get a white Christmas. We get a white January. I don't know. You get it sometimes. It's just like this guy's about to throw all that snow up on my car. I know you're about to. Please don't. I don't want to be full of snow. Actually, you know what? Do it. I'll have more reason to pass you. Now I'm stuck behind him though, so I gotta wait. Let's go straight. How many people are going this way? How many? How many you think? Going that way. Going that way. What are you doing? Oh my God, he's letting the guy in. I would not have done that. You weak driver. You're just gonna let everybody in. Go. Pulled in front of a yield and didn't even let me. I had the. You have to yield and I have to go right away. But like, okay. Yeah, take your Honda Pilot anyway. You know, I understand that people have like needs where they can't buy cars for certain things, but you could buy a cheaper car that looks better. But hey, maybe people have different likes. I don't know. I just don't understand it. I could never see myself in a Pilot or a Honda Civic, whatever, those cars, and no Honda or Toyota, none of it. Because they're just, I don't know. I don't like Japanese cars. They just seem like the most cheapy thing. Okay, now we're coming to another area. Look at all these trucks go by. I'm stuck behind this guy going like 29 because he's like slow. Now, look how much room he has in front of this other guy. Like, you have so much room, and you're like sitting at 30. Oh, look, a Challenger. Oh my God. What is going on? If I slow down, just might turn left. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. We need to go now. We need to go now. Oh my God, this weather's nice though. I don't even have to close my window. It's not even that cold. Y'all turn and I'm going straight. I can turn left or I can go straight. If these people go straight, I'm going left. Yeah, get out my way. Truck. And go this way. You're another slow person. Yup. Ooh, is that ice? Nah, it's just water. There ain't no ice anymore, it's just water. It's too warm now, which is nice. Oh, it's a nice day outside though. It's a very nice day. I like it out here better than Kansas City. Well, Kansas City's a big city, but I mean, I could get like crazy in traffic and stuff, but it's like not really, because you have to like drive a certain way all the. There's a sheriff right there too. This is the way I gotta go. I'm so lost. Oh yeah, this is the way. This is the way. I'm so lost. It looks so different when it's snowing. I don't usually drive this way too often. But I had to show you guys a little bit of a different POV today. But I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Little POV drive in the snow. Nothing too crazy. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.